Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Happy Monday. Randall here from Crypto Love. And today we are going to be talking about what Bitcoin did over the weekend. Oh my gosh, did you see it? Did I call it? Yes. And we are going to be talking about, is Bitcoin continuing to go up to $13,400, or is this a bull trap? Are we all just suckers? Is this a suckers rally? And is the price going to crash down to nothingness? We're going to take a look at all those things right after I talk about what happened this weekend, because wow, that was pretty spectacular. Price of Bitcoin, you almost made 10% on your Bitcoin over the weekend. And you know what's better than if you just made 10% on your Bitcoin? If you were holding it in the Monarch wallet, and in addition to that 10%, you could get returns on your investment interest up to 10% depending upon which cryptocurrency you're using, because they have a partnership with Celsius Network. So let's get into things, guys. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing, nuking the shit out of the like button. Actually, I want you to do 3 things if you actually like this channel, okay? First thing, subscribe if you haven't. Second thing, nuke the shit out of the like button or tap it gently depending upon your demeanor. And third, comment down in the video, because you know what? I respond to those comments and those make a big difference on YouTube. Now, if you like the channel, you could do all those things. If you don't like the channel, you could unsubscribe, you could hit the don't like button, and you could also post a nasty, trolly comment down in the description. Now let's talk about what's been going on over the weekend. Well, I tell you, $325 billion market cap, up $25 billion over the weekend. Bitcoin dominance even soaring 59.2%, increasing from around 57% over the weekend. Now, Bitcoin right now is sitting at $10,845. Yes, that's the first time on a video in a long time I've said it's over $10,000. That is awesome. And then Ethereum at 307, XRP at 46 cents, Bcash at 471, and Litecoin at 134. Hasn't moved since I made that video a week ago saying it was pretty much topped out. Go figure, right? Now, the big gainers for the week. I know, I'm just going to be patting myself on the back all video today. Big gainers, Lambda, Hedge Trade, and Nebulous. The big losers, Made Safecoin, Komodo, and Nash Exchange. Now, I just want to, before we get into where Bitcoin price is going, I want to talk briefly about the psychology of a market cycle. Now, this is something some of us have been through a bit. Some of us is the first time. Like if you bought in up here in December, January of last year, you would have bought in up here, so you've only gone this downside. Some of us bought in down here, so we've been through up and then down. And now we're at this part. We're at one of a few parts, okay? One, disbelief, potentially. Like, definitely back in December, January, February, maybe even March, we were in this depression part. Like, my retirement money's lost. How can I pay for all this stuff? I'm an idiot. Bitcoin sucks. I should just sell now. Blah, it's at 3,000. It's going down to 1,000. It's going to die. So now we have a bit of optimism. Maybe some disbelief, like this is a sucker's rally, or maybe even optimism. This rally is for real. It's over $10,000. Tom Lee said if it gets to $10,000, that's the FOMO point. It's going to go to 20 and then 40, and then I better go all in right now. That's like the optimism point. So you got to wonder where exactly we are. But definitely, I don't think we're at this euphoria part yet. I mean, there's a lot of FOMO in the market, a lot of hype in the market right now, but I definitely don't think we're there. I mean, I don't have people knocking down my door all the time asking how to buy Bitcoin, because that was happening the last time, December, January of 2017, 2018. Definitely no thrill, not a lot of people buying on margin. Belief, maybe. So I would say somewhere between disbelief or optimism or hope. Somewhere in there, that's where we are. So that's what we're going to take a look at through today. Now, where are we looking at? Well, I just gotta, like I said, I'm gonna be patting myself on the back a lot today. I know you can just comment on that down in the descriptions about how I'm conceited and an asshole and whatever, and I think the sun shines out of. But whatever, because guys, like a week ago, more than a week ago, I was talking about these areas. I said, first line, because right here, Bitcoin was in this area right here, and there was a little wedge right there that I had drawn. Okay, I'll draw it again for you guys who didn't see it. It was like this. Okay, there was a wedge, and when there's a wedge, there's a breakout from a wedge. Okay, so now you can see there's a wedge. We were in the wedge, and I said it's going to break out by like sometime before July 17th or something. Well, boom, we had a breakout, and I said if it does break out, it's going to go to 1, 2 levels. If it goes down, it'll go to these levels. If it goes up, it'll go to these levels. Well, the first level I picked, right at 91.59, boom, it stayed there for a few days, and then it broke through there, broke through the next level that I picked, but then the further level, when we just broke $10,000 and got up high, look at that. That is almost exactly, I want to zoom in so you can see how exactly, I don't know, I can't zoom in that well. But anyways, Look at that, exactly to a point at right around $11,100. Now, I did want to note that both of the areas where it seems to have stuck was where there was a level that I picked out strategically and also a Fibonacci retracement. So level, Fibonacci. And these levels come from previous support or resistance. So as you can see here, this line here, boom, was previous resistance right here. This line here, boom, previous resistance right here. This line here, boom, previous resistance right there. So it's pretty simple. You don't need a lot to be good at TA. But should we break through this area here, I don't suspect we'll get much resistance there at 11,781. I think we'll go up to the next level where there's a fib line and one of my levels somewhere between $13,000 and $13,400 where we could go. That would be if the market continues going upwards. But as you can see, there's a bit of slowing recently, definitely a bit of slowing, and it almost looks like the histogram on the MACD is going to turn around. Okay, so it almost looks like that. And we have perma bull turned perma bear, magic poop cannon saying, hey, potentially Bitcoin could still fall to $3,000. This is a risk exercise. He says, you know what? We already have a left shoulder, then we're going to have a head, then a right shoulder, and then boom, price will shoot back down to $3,000 because if you take a look right now, the market's been going up. Bitcoin price has been soaring over the past couple of weeks in case you've been in a coma. But take a look at all these indicators, the NVT, the MACD, the RSI, the money flow index. All of them are going down, giving bearish divergences, which usually mean that the market is overbought, usually mean that the price is going to turn around and head back down. Now, does this mean it's going to happen? No, there's a lot of exuberance in the market. People think the market's great. They think it's all coming back, and potentially it could keep going up because you got to remember, it's a small market. There's a lot of manipulation. I mean, even though there's 21 million Bitcoin, there's really only 4 million Bitcoin that actually get moved around on a regular basis. So those 4 million Bitcoin are what's actually influencing the price of everything. And it really doesn't take much for a whale to move a whole bunch and manipulate the price even more. Now, furthermore, he talks about the NVT signal, which is right here on the bottom, the NVT signal. When it is in the red there, as you can see, red, 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 and when it's in the red, boom, price shoots down afterwards. When it's in the red, boom, price shoots down afterwards. When it's in the red, potentially price shoots down afterwards. So we have an argument for the price going up. I mean, definitely carrying on with the momentum that we have going on, carrying on in the trend channel that we have going on. So potentially price could continue going up to 13,400. And maybe there will be a FOMO factor. I mean, maybe Tom Lee is right in one of his predictions. Finally, I don't think that's possible, but maybe it is. Could go up 20, 40, who knows? But potentially NVT signal has not been wrong previously for Bitcoin, and it's saying, yeah, potentially price might be coming back down. So we have an argument on both sides. What am I doing? Guys, I'm still trading the MACD. This is what I do regularly. This has been a very profitable. All of you guys who have been trading MACD with me, you can see it's very, very profitable because you get in at lower prices. So we got in right here around low 8,000s, and guess what? Bitcoin's now up to 11,000. Awesome. So that's it for today. If you want to get more into trading, definitely check out Signal Profits. You could join the 7,000 strong traders using Signal Profits, where you could regularly get 17% returns or 12% returns in a few hours. There is a link down in the description. You get 2 weeks for $7. Check it out. Also check out the Monarch wallet. They have their IEO going on right now, and it's a secure wallet where you get interest on your cryptos while you hold them there securely. Very cool. Catch you guys later. Have a good one. Remember, if you like this episode, remember, help out the channel. I'm just a poor old man trying to make videos for a channel, and I need your help. Could you please, for the love of God, subscribe and nuke the shit out of the like button and leave a comment down below. Just do it for me, for nothing else. Just do it for me. Love you guys. Peace.